Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Clickbank and using Google Planner to find keywords. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I also do a lot of product reviews on this channel just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at the Google Planner so that you can find keywords to promote your Clickbank products. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Google and just type in Google Keyword Planner. It'll be the first one that comes up at the top. And what this tool does, actually it's used for people who want to advertise, do paid advertising, but we can use it to find keywords in order to promote our Clickbank products. So you're going to be required to create an AdWords account, which requires you put in a credit card, but you don't have to pay for anything. You can just use it to find keywords. So once you log in here, you're going to click on Find New Keywords. So let's say that you are going to promote something like the Fat Belly Fix or Organifi Green Juice, and you wanted to target somebody who was trying to lose belly fat. So you could type in something like how to lose belly fat, and then you click on get started, and then it's going to bring up all these keyword ideas. It's going to show you the search volume per month, competition. We don't necessarily need to look at the competition here because we're just looking at the volume, the search volume, and it's going to give you ideas of related keywords. So then what you can do is you want to find long tail keywords, and I did that in my last video. I'm going to post that below this video on what is a long tail keyword. You want it to be at least 5 words or more because there's less competition. So if you're looking for something, you want to look for something at least 5 words or longer. So if you were going to look at something like how to lose belly fat naturally, what you want to then do is go over to YouTube, because you're going to be creating a YouTube video relating to this particular topic that people have a problem with. So in order to find out the competition, you're going to type in all in title with a colon, space, and then put it in parentheses. How to lose belly fat naturally. And then you're going to see how many people, how many videos are in competition with that. And ideally you want it just to be like the first page, not more than 1 page. So if you scroll down, you can see that this particular keyword let's see if it has more than 1 page. Okay, so this one just has 1 page. I mean, ideally, it wouldn't be this many. It would be fewer than this. But then what you could do, you can see the number of views the top video has, 1.1, that was 6 days ago. So that's good. 1.1K 2 months ago. And then you could take a look at these videos, see what is in the videos, and just not copy them, but model after them. Find out, obviously you want to solve a problem, which is how to lose belly fat naturally, and you want to provide valuable information to people and solve their problem. And then at the end of your video, it will be a call to action to your Clickbank product. So in order to find out more about how to lose belly fat naturally, click on the first link below the video, and that'll give you more information. And then people can find out what your Clickbank product is. So that's basically it. You're going to go in here and just go through and find different keywords, plug them back into YouTube, put all in title, colon, and then not in parentheses, but quotation marks, the keyword, and then see what the competition is. So let's see if we could find something a little less competition. I'm going to change this to fast and see. I'm assuming that probably has just as much competition, but possibly less. This one has, I think it's maybe a little bit more, but you get the idea. You can go through here, find even longer tail keywords and see how much competition is in YouTube. And then again, you can put the long tail keyword up here. How to lose belly fat naturally. Get results and see if you can come up with something even more targeted and longer tail and less competition in YouTube, and then create videos around that particular keyword. So that's basically it. You want to make sure that you do find something that there is a good search volume for, and then there is, once you search that the videos that come up on top, they're actually getting good views. So like this one here, 265,000 views 4 months ago. That's really good. 318,000 views 5 days ago. So again, you can take a look at the top searches, see what content they have, and kind of model around that. But again, you're trying to solve a problem that people have, and your product is a solution to that problem. But you want to provide valuable information, not just you need to buy this product. You want to provide them with education, and then have a call to action at the end of your video. If you want to learn more about how to lose belly fat fast, click on the first link in the description below the video. You can learn more about that topic. So that's it for the keyword Google Planner. I hope you guys found some value from this. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. Also, again, if you want to learn more about these topics, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. And if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, as well as some incredible bonuses, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check that out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.